It's here. This is it. Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And here we are. It is here. The unboxing that I definitely have been waiting for the longest time, and maybe you have too. So I just received a package from YouTube yesterday, and I think I know what this is, but let's open this up and find out. And so let's not waste any time and get into the unboxing of this special YouTube package. So here we go. Slicing, gotta make sure I do it very, very carefully here. And yes, I'm shaking a little bit out of excitement. It is just pure excitement. This has been a long time coming, guys. A long time coming. And I gotta say, great shipment times. This came very quickly from the States in just less than 1 week's time. And here we go, opening this up. And what could be inside? Piece of foam, but it's there to protect a very special thing. Let's lift this together. Oh boy, here we are. And a letter from YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to the channel. We know that numbers on YouTube get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You've achieved this milestone with your hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. We'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Incredible. And let's have a look at it together. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, there it is. And let's go ahead and fully unbox this award. Nice cold metal feel. I'm loving it already. Presented to Frankie Tech for passing 100,000 subscribers. And there it is, guys. The Silver Play Award from YouTube. It's real. This is happening. I'm kind of in disbelief right now, but I need to start off by saying thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And a couple shout outs. I do want to shout out my wonderful wife and my beautiful daughter for putting up with this crazy ride that their papa has brought them on this past year and a half. It's been a crazy ride, but I love you guys and couldn't do it without your support. I also want to thank YouTube for this incredible opportunity, for recognizing the hard work of small creators like myself and so many countless others who work to create content that hopefully finds an audience. And honestly, filming sometimes is not easy. Take it from me, this is being filmed right now on a bed. And with limited space in Hong Kong, that's always been a challenge of mine, but I've always strived to try to create something, and without the platform of YouTube, that would not be possible to share that with the world. So thanks YouTube and YouTube creators for this amazing award. But last but not least, I need to thank you. And you know who you are. To my OG fans, to all my viewers, and to all of those people who have supported Frankie Tech from the start. And I never imagined that when I started this channel in June 2018, that we were going to be on this crazy ride together. From street tech unboxings, think of all the amazing locations we've been to, guys. Singapore, UK, the US, and just thinking about all the awesome videos we've shared, all the amazing phones we've reviewed together. It has been insane. But this ride, like YouTube says, is just getting started. And I really do, from the bottom of my heart, want to say thank you so much to you guys out there. You have made my dreams become a reality. And I share this award with all of you guys out there, all my OG fans who didn't stop believing, who didn't stop supporting, and who just kept swimming. Thank you so very much. Anyways, that's it for this video, and stay tuned once again for more great content coming from Frankie Tech. From me, Frankie Herrera, I want to say thank you so much again, guys. And now I got to find a special place for this award Thanks so very much. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.